So I'm gonna start by using the, I can't pronounce that, but you get the idea. I'm gonna create a light layer at the top. I'm gonna keep packing it with eyeshadow. I'm gonna bring it all the way up in the middle of the brow. I'm gonna bring it all the way up in the middle of the brow. Okay, and to move on to a darker color, and I will use this one. I'm gonna be using a larger brush, a wider or more fluffy brush. So it spreads out evenly. Now I'm gonna move on to a third darker color, which is this one. And I'm gonna bring that onto the inner corner and blend it out. I'm gonna carve out the cut crease, and I'll be using my Estee Lauder in N1 concealer. See, I'm gonna bring it all the way down. Please be the same. this is gonna make sure that that it pops out even more. So it is an important step. Getting a headache from my headband. Eyeshadow that we used. And then I'm gonna add just like a dark eyeshadow. It's a matte black. Because I feel like it's not dark enough. I'm not worried about where to stop because I can just clean it up before I put my foundation on. The next step is a gold liner. I will use a very precise brush like this one. It's tiny. But yeah, you need to be very precise for this one. Let's see. I'm not gonna start right on top of the crease. I'm gonna start right below it so I can still see the white parts. This is the Kiko Bright Quartet Tiny Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be using this one. It's going so far so good on the outer corners. Oh yeah, I was, because it's so dark and I feel like it's waterproof. It does not melt throughout the day. So I've just put the rest of my makeup on, and now I'll put the bottom eyeshadow. It's the same dark eyeshadow that we used before. And I'm gonna be using this brush. Okay. If it goes down too much or if the brush is too wide, we can fix it later on with the beige eyeshadow. Okay, this is good. Brush off the excess. This dark eyeliner pencil by Essence. Yes, by Essence. And then I'll highlight this part a little bit. Now let's use the mascara by Estee Lauder. Before we put the eyelashes on, I'll be using the Tati lashes as the last step. I've just finished everything, and do I approve the look? Of course I approve the look. I love it. I am sorry about the light being so bright. It's all about the lashes. And the eyeshadow, of course.